Just want to give a quick rundown on the GMC Sierra HD. This is the Denali trim line. New for 2020. Actually, the whole thing's been overhauled for 2020, so it's a totally different look. Notice side step there along the side of the bed as well as in the back. Got running lights on the fender flare. In the back here we have the 6-way tailgate from GMC. Denali version, the big pipe right down there. 20-inch wheels, sitting on Goodyear Wranglers. This one has the 6.6 liter diesel Duramax with a new, I believe, 10-speed transmission, Allison transmission, which actually bumps the towing capacity, which I believe is 18,500 pounds with the fifth wheel, and I believe around 15 of standard towing. If that's wrong, I will double check that, and you can read up in the article here. Let's look inside. Let's start this one up. One of the coolest features that we saw last year was this pro trailering features that the GMC has. And once this loads up, we can take a look at that here. Trailering. No trailer connected, but if we did have a trailer connected, you can see camera angles all in there. There's our trailing checklist. Conventional trailing, gooseneck, fifth wheel, guest trailer, accessory trailer, trailer profile depending on what types of trailers that you use. If you have multiple trailers, you can set those up so it's all set up for every time you switch trailers. Trailer detection alert, maintenance alerts, theft alert, tow haul mode reminder. It also makes it really easy with these camera views, which I'm trying to get to, maybe it won't show me until I actually am trailering, but oh, here we go. So you have the views of the back, and we can switch here. It's another view in the back. Here's a real nice view from the top down, from the front. Here's our trailing views if we had that hooked up. So many cameras. So, trailering bed camera as well is very cool. Tow hook camera, there we go. Not tow hook, sorry. There's the tow hitch camera. So you can line it right up without having to jump in and out of your truck. And you can see contents of your bed. Again, switch back to the hitch camera. If I put this into reverse, let's see here. We should have a light to help with that.